Hey, that's Kurt the boat dog. Anyway, out here in 22, I believe, Sea Dory, beautiful boat, burgundy, white, very clean, got the Garmin good 24-mile out radar, VHF antenna, GPS antenna in the back. Yeah, it has a few little scratches off the side, nothing major. I think it's a 2007. Yep, last two digits here, and it's 22 foot. CDO 22591 H607. Got a little chip off the back, trim tabs P66. Transducer C-Star hydraulic. He sealed up the back really good there for water that could get in over the back, so that was a smart idea. Got an F90 fuel injected. I think it's a 15 pitch, a little corrosion on the prop, not a big deal. 13 by 15, 4 blade, high thrust 8. You want to be careful maybe when you're running this, put a soft pad. See how the scuffs are right there? Because when it leans, it's going to hit the cowling. So I'd either put a lockout on that somehow to lock that thing straight back, or I'd put something right there and let that motor rest because it's going to flop and hit. So I got to run both these, make sure they run good. Got the bulkhead, door, speakers in the back, one speaker front, got the Wallace heater, 2 tanks, plenty of fuel it looks like. Them are good, like, oh God, they've got to be at least 10, maybe 15 gallon tank, could be 25 gallon tanks. So he's got the range. So I'm putting it in on the starboard, a little pinstripe missing here and there, down there. Padded up the one, that's smart on the end of the load guide so it doesn't smash the boat. See if he did the same thing. Nope, must have hit that side quite a bit. Got horseshoes to hang on his load guides. Wheels look good, look like them are fairly new, galvanized. You got what, 6 lugs, which is rare. Gear bath oil hubs, good. Power King tires. Since it is a single axle, probably went to the ST 225/75 R15s with the 6 lug discs on both. Brake fluid looks good. Easy loader trailer, dual bunks, spare tire. North River anchor. Snout pipe for the anchor chain. Got rope. Good nav lights, got the 36 10-inch Garmin display. It looks like nice and easy, simple. Set some of the settings for the average guy. Tongue jack, safety chains, cross those. Top mount coupler, got a flat flip. I like those better on the latches. Got the pin on it. Got the safety chain. Does need a ground wire. The marker lights on the, it doesn't have one off on the starboard side. The fender's a little smashed. You don't really need those, but the IDs don't work. The back lights do, but they're a little dim, and I'm pretty sure it's this ground needs a good ground wire. So from there, we're going to head to the water.